You guys, I just got this set in. It came in literally a day and I am in love. It is so beautiful. It is so springy, very feminine. It's this beautiful floral pattern. Love the material. I just realized there's shoulder pads on the top, which I also love. The pants are an incredible like balloon style pant. Very oversized with the balloon style, a little bit sheer at the bottom, but they have a built-in liner, which is kind of hard to see unless you're really looking at it. But they're almost like a shiny material, super cute. I am obsessed. With the top, you could definitely like crop it up a little bit, wear the pants down a little bit lower if you prefer that. I think you could also style these pants with just like a white tank, which I feel like would be super cute. We find somewhere to wear it because I just love it so much. I would wear this to a brunch, a baby shower, a bridal shower, just anything like springy and girly that you have going on this season. I love it. To the top in a medium and the pants in a small. And I would say they are absolutely oversized. I'm typically a medium. I love it, 10 out of 10.